The Naija Senate don't clear the air say the proposed social media bill no dey try suppress freedom of expression, but the bill wan address matter like taxation and how digital platforms go dey keep record for Naija. The Senate President Godswill Akpabio chook mouth on top am for the bill second reading. Senator Ned Nwoko, wey sponsor the bill, talk say the aim of the bill na to make sure say multinational social media companies go set up physical offices for Naija. The bill go also propose amendment for the Naija Data Protection Act 2023 wey go improve how data dey managed and make social media platforms accountable.
It's not just the most populous country in Africa. We are also one of the most active when it comes to digital engagement. With over 220 million people, social media has become an essential part of our daily lives. According to the Global Works Index, as part of our Business Insider Africa, Nigerians rank first in Africa and second globally in terms of daily social media usage, spending an average of 3 hours and 46 minutes online. Platforms such as Facebook, X, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, etc., have become indispensable to millions of our people. These platforms are not just tools of communication, they are ecosystems that influence our politics, shape our public opinion, drive entrepreneurship, and provide avenues for education and entertainment.
It definitely would have been different and much more streamlined. But at least the general idea is there, and his job was just to provide the general principles, not necessarily to go into details. So when they go into details at a public hearing, it will be clear. I don't want the world to misunderstand us as if the Senate is trying to gag the social media. No, that is not the intention here. The intention is for tax purposes and also to have a register of. In fact, it's good for them because now with the new tax innovation, if you are not making as a company up to 50 million in a year, you are exempted from taxation. And if you are an individual trader and you don't make up to 1 million, you don't have to pay tax. Or you make 1 million or under, you don't have to pay tax. So for the purpose of tax and for the purpose of clarity of what you are doing and for record purpose, I think this is a good bill. However, I was looking to see whether there is any way it will tend to gag the freedom of expression or tend to stop the business of, in quote, bloggers. There is no such thing. So when eventually goes to the public hearing, I'm sure we'll be able to cross the T's and dot the I's before it comes back to the Senate.
The bill don't go to the Senate Committee on ICT and Cybersecurity for further review within 2 months. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.